Having trouble with Telegram not loading messages? Let's fix it. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Open your device's settings, then go to the Wi-Fi section to ensure it is turned on. Now, if this doesn't work, try switching to mobile data. Also try to turn airplane mode on and off for a reset. Open the Telegram app and see if messages are loading. Look for new messages appearing in your chat list or updates in your existing conversations. Now, restart the Telegram app. Close it completely by removing it from running apps, then reopen to refresh chats. If the issue persists, update Telegram. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Now, search for Telegram. And tap Update if there is an update available. Still facing issues? Telegram might be down. To verify, simply open your browser and visit downdetector.com. Dismiss any annoying pop-ups, and at the top right, click on the search field. Simply enter Telegram and click on Go. Scroll down a bit and review the chart that reports the amount of problems with Telegram. If Telegram is down, wait for a while and then retry loading your messages. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips.